Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import your audio into your CapCut PC project. So you can go to audio here, go to extracted audio and select import, and you can import a video that has a song and it will extract the audio from it, and you can just press the plus button to apply it on your timeline or just drag it and drop it. Another way, if you just want to import an audio, select the import section here and just import an audio. So here you're just going to select the audio and you're just going to drag it and drop it and it will be imported. Or you can open up your files and just drag the file into CapCut PC. That works as well. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!